Spain, also known as the Kingdom of Spain, is made up of 504,782 square kilometers and is located on the Iberian Peninsula in southwestern Europe. It borders Portugal on the west and France on the north. In terms of geography, it borders the Bay of Biscay and the North Atlantic, the Pyrenees Mountains, the southwest of France, and the Mediterranean Sea. Spain is made up of a high central plateau which is broken up by many mountains and rivers. The population of Spain is estimated to be 39,996,671 people, with a 0.11% population growth. There are three major cities: Madrid, 4 million people, Barcelona, 2 million people, and Valencia, 754,000 people. In terms of religion, Spain is known to be 66.7% Roman Catholic, 1.2% Muslim, 0.8% Protestant, and 31.3% other. There are four recognized languages: Castilian Spanish, the official language spoken by 74% of the population, the Catalan, spoken by 17%, Galician, spoken by 7%, and Basque, spoken by 2%. The Spanish population has a literacy rate of 97%. About 1% of men and 2% of women are illiterate. Who was the founder of Spain? Isabella retained the throne and ruled jointly with her husband, King Ferdinand II. Isabella and Ferdinand had married in 1469 in Valladolid. Their marriage united both crowns and set the stage for the creation of Kingdom of Spain at the dawn of the modern era. From 711 to 1492, Islamic Moors ruled in Spain. In 1492, Christopher Columbus discovers America and the Spanish rulers start forming their empire. In the 16th century, Spanish kings ruled over many European countries, such as Portugal, Netherlands, part of France, Germany, Italy, and Austria. The Spanish Civil War rages in Spain from 1936 to 1939, when dictator General Franco takes over the country. In 1975, Franco dies and Juan Carlos I becomes King of Spain. In 2014, his son Felipe followed him on the throne when Juan Carlos resigned due to old age. The meaning of symbols of the national flag of Spain. The flag of Spain is made up of colors red and yellow. There are several legends about the colors. According to one legend, the colors were selected to represent the Spanish tradition of bullfighting. Red represents the blood spilled by the bulls, whereas the yellow represents the sun in the bullfighting arena. The coat of arms set on the national flag is a combination of 6 different coats of arms, representing the 6 kingdoms which make up Spain. The red castle represents the Kingdom of Castile, and the red lion represents the Kingdom of Leon. The vertically running red and yellow stripes represent the Kingdom of Aragon. The golden chain link represents the Kingdom of Navarre. The pomegranate flower at the bottom represents the Kingdom of Granada, and the flower of the lily or fleur de lis represent the House of Bourbon. The 2 pillars of Hercules symbolize the Straits of Gibraltar, and on top of the 2 pillars are 2 crowns, an imperial crown and a royal crown. The royal crown symbolized the King of Spain, while the imperial crown symbolized the Holy Roman Emperor, with King Charles serving in both capacities in the late 18th century. The inscription on the red banner wrapping the 2 pillars, Plus Ultra, translates to More Beyond, which is represent the then newly discovered American territories after the voyages of Christopher Columbus. The natural resources of Spain: coal, lignite, iron ore, copper, lead, zinc, uranium, tungsten, mercury, pyrites, magnesite, fluorspar, gypsum, saprolite, kaolin, potash, hydropower, arable land. Export products of Spain: machinery, motor, vehicles, foodstuffs, pharmaceuticals, medicines, other consumers' goods. And the imports product of Spain: machinery and equipment, fuels, chemicals, semi-finished goods, foodstuffs, consumer goods, measuring, and medical control. Usually, the major trading partners of Spain is France, Germany, China, Portugal, Italy, UK, Netherlands. How much do you know about Spain? If you're moving to the country, it's a good idea to learn a little more about your new home. To help you out, we put together a list of our favorite facts about Spain that you might not know. Number 1. The Europe's second largest country. Spain, or the Kingdom of Spain, to give the country its official title, is the second largest country in the European Union after France. It measures up at around 506,000 square kilometers if you include the Canary Islands and the Spanish territories along the North African coastline. Number 2. Once a number of separate kingdoms. Like many other European countries, what we know as modern day, Spain was once a collection of individual kingdoms. That changed in the 15th century when Fernando of Aragon and Isabel of Castile married and united their respective kingdoms. And if you thought learning one new language was hard enough, most of these kingdoms had their own language too. Number 3. Home of the world's second most widely spoken language. There are an estimated 440 million native Spanish speakers around the world, second only to Mandarin. But while Spanish is the official language of Spain, the regional language of Catalan, Basque, and Galician all have official status in respective regions. Number 4. Nudity is legal in Spain. With its Mediterranean climate of hot, dry summers and wild, wet winters, you might be tempted to strip off while in Spain. With 3,000 hours of sunshine a year, there are also few better places to top up your tan. And any budding naturist out there will be pleased to know nudity is legal in Spain, although it is considered inappropriate in plenty of places. Number 5. Has the fifth largest population in Europe. Spain is home to 47 million people, and while you might think that sounds crowded, in reality, 3/4 of the population live in urban areas. Around 6.5 million, for instance, live in the Greater Madrid area, while 5.5 million reside in the Greater Barcelona area. This means both cities have larger population than New Zealand. Number 6. Spanish people live longer. According to stats, Spain has the second highest life expectancy of all OECD countries at an expressive 83 years. Only the Japanese have a higher life expectancy. Figures show that Spanish women are outliving their male counterparts, 85 years compared to 70 years for men. Number 7, which means an aging population. Number 11. Europe's second highest unemployment rate. Statistics from 2019 show that Spain have the second highest unemployment rate in the Europe, behind only Greece. However, the current rate of 13.8% is a significant improvement from the 24.2% unemployment rate Spain experienced back in 2015. Number 13. It's perfect for olive oil lovers. You'd be forgiven for thinking Greece or Italy produce most of the world's olive oil, but in actual fact, it's Spain that leads the way. The Iberian country produces some 1.5 million tons of the stuff, the vast majority of which come from the southern region of Andalusia. Number 14. 150,000 tomatoes are thrown every year. At the legendary La Tomatina Festival, held in every August, the festival sees revelers from around the world descend on the small town of Buñol near Valencia. Visitors are encouraged to throw as many tomatoes as they can, but only once they've been squashed, to avoid any injuries. Number 15. There is no tooth fairy in Spain. But don't worry, those tooth don't get wasted. Instead of the famous tooth fairy, when Spanish kids lose a tooth, they put it under their pillow for a magical mouse called Ratoncito Perez. Just like the tooth fairy, little Perez collects the tooth and leaves money or a small gift in its place. Number 16. The Spanish are a tolerant society. Back in 2010, the European Social Survey found that 80% of respondents agreed that gay men and lesbians should be free to live their own lives. This compares to less than 40% of Croatians, Lithuanians, and Russians. Spain has a large LGBT community, and same-sex marriage has been legal since 2005. Number 17. One of the world's most popular tourist destinations. Historic places, sweeping beaches, world-class mountain trekking. Whatever you're looking for, Spain has it abundance, and that's why the visitors keep coming. In fact, in 2018, Spain was the second most popular global tourist destination after France, welcoming a staggering 82.8 million visitors. With so many popular destinations, attractions, resorts, and historic sites to explore, we thought it would be a great idea to list of the best places to visit in Spain. The outstanding Sagrada Familia in the city of Barcelona remains the most visited attraction in Spain and is arguably the best place to visit in Spain. It is one of the most popular single attractions in the world. Number 18. A giant of world football. When it comes to the beautiful game, the Spanish know how to play ball. La Roja topped FIFA's world ranking for over 5 years between 2008 and 2013. During that time, they won the 2010 World Cup and the European Championships in both 2008 and 2012. Number 19. Hold the paella. Paella is one of the best-known dishes in Spanish cuisine. For this reason, many non-Spaniards view it as Spain's national dish, but Spaniards almost unanimously considered it to be a dish from Valencian region.